Alright, what's good YouTube? This is your boy Shaka252 bringing you another video. Today's video, I'm pretty much going to do a quick review of experience with the Tazer so far. I already know there are plenty of guys out there that did way better review videos of the Tazer than me, so I'm gonna let it stay that way. But I'm just going to give my experience with the Tazer, and I'll just go through the basics. Ignition switch on run, but you will start the car, and once you do that, you'll go to your settings with the down arrow. You'll go down to the audio screen, and as you can see, and what you want to do is, I'm not sure if you can see my hand here. There we go. There we go. All right. You want to hold down the left directional arrow. You'll hold that down, and you'll press cancel to go through the different options. And I think you can see it up on the screen. And as you can see, it's performance set, and I have mine on yes. If I wanted to put it on no, I'll just select the cruise control tab, and that'll actually switch through the toggle the options. But as far as going through the different settings, like I said, I'm holding down the left arrow and pressing cancel to go through the different options. There is one in particular, I'm trying to get to it. Easy exit. I got to do some more research. I looked briefly. I really haven't had a chance to sit down and really research it more, but easy exit. If anyone on my channel, that my subscribers on my channel, if you know what easy exit means and whether I should possibly turn that on to see what that is, I have no idea what it is. But if you're watching this video and you know what easy exit is, please put it down in the comments below, or if you follow me on IG, send me a DM to let me know exactly what easy exit is. But other than that, let me get out of that. Other than that, my experience so far with the Tazer, I like it. I didn't like it initially because my font, everything changed. As far as everything changed with my font, and you know, having that SRT Hellcat theme here, but I didn't get the performance pages initially. They pretty much stayed in how the Scat Pack normally is. So I took a road trip yesterday, a short road trip yesterday, and what I did was I held down I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already know, but if your Uconnect is acting funny, just hold down the top right corner. I think it's 15 seconds. I may be wrong, but I held it down for about 15, just say 20 seconds, and I released it, and it actually rebooted the Uconnect. And when it rebooted, as you probably just saw, the SRT image posted. So, and that's when I was like, okay, now it finally switched over. But anyway, track mode is still the same. The way they have it designed, track mode, usually when I ran track mode before, I would leave the traction control on, but the track mode on this is pretty much locked in place. Like this is how track mode is, and there's no changing it. So I couldn't turn on my traction control. And track mode is actually really good. The steering wheel is not as stiff, and the shifts, I could tell the shifts were different, and the exhaust seemed like it was way louder. I don't know. I hope it's not the placebo effect, but I think when I was in track mode, I could tell a difference. I could tell a difference. Then I used eco mode. Eco mode was actually pretty cool because I noticed as soon as I initiated eco mode, my MPGs went from like 25 to like 37 on my little drive yesterday, and it pretty much stayed there. And that's with going, I know how these cars are. If you go uphill, your MPGs will go down. If you go downhill, your MPGs will go up. But it stayed pretty much at 35 or 37 going uphill and downhill. So that was cool. I'm trying to think, and I just set my pin code for valet mode. And I mean, other than that, it is I'm good with it. Like I think it's a good buy. No complaints so far. The only other issue I had, I should say, was getting the freaking Tazer out. It's a little clip on the side, I gotta push that in and then pull it out, because I was just like, hold up, this thing's supposed to come right out. But anyway, but other than that, it's good. I mean, I can't wait to test it more, but this is just a quick video. I just installed this thing yesterday, so so far I like it. I definitely like track mode, and MDG Collections told me, he explained to me, like, track mode, Greg D, he hit me up, JohnnyPro, everybody that left me comments, the first thing out of their mouth was track mode. You're gonna love track mode. And definitely the TheBlackScatPack also told me about that. So I'm good with it, and that's all I got. I just want to do this quick video of my review of the Tazer. I think it's a good buy, and if you haven't purchased one, I highly suggest that. And I am mad, I'm kicking myself that I didn't buy this Tazer a long time ago. In April will be a year. April will be a year since I had this car, and I'm just now getting the Tazer. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like, and I'm still on this road to 1,000 subscribers. So I'm sitting at 630 subs right now. So until next time, I'll catch y'all on the next one. All right, peace.